Hello dear friends and welcome back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan bossa. Today we are going to be making a quick and easy pasta recipe made with fresh cherry tomatoes. This is an Italian authentic recipe and the sauce is so juicy and loaded with Mediterranean flavors. The secret of making this pasta dish so delicious is the way we are going to cook the sauce. So guys, have a look at the recipe. For today's recipe, I'm gonna use 200 grams of penne type of pasta, then 200 grams of red and yellow cherry tomatoes, 50 grams of olives. The Italian Tajasca olives will be the best for this recipe. Then 2 to 3 garlic cloves, some chili pepper, peperoncino, a half teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 1 tablespoon of crystal salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a bunch of fresh basil leaves. First, we are gonna start by cleaning and cutting the tomatoes into halves. I'm gonna use 2 types of tomatoes because the red tomatoes bring a strong flavor and high acidity to the sauce, and the yellow ones will bring more sweetness and will balance our sauce. When you are ready, put the tomatoes into a container and leave them aside for later. Meanwhile, peel the garlic cloves. A very good technique is to smash the garlic so it will peel easier. Then mince finely the garlic. When you finish preparing the ingredients, put a large pot of water to boil and meanwhile prepare the sauce. Take a big pan and add the olive oil first and then the minced garlic. Give it a quick stir, then add the chili pepper, the peperoncino, and stir it well with the garlic and let it cook until the garlic is lightly golden. Then add the half cherry tomatoes. A very good tip and the secret of this pasta also is to cook the cherry tomatoes in olive oil until they are burst and their edges are caramelized. This way all the juices of the tomato will be condensed and will release a very intense flavor, and this will make the perfect base for the pasta sauce. Cook the tomatoes for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat, then add the flavors, some sea salt and some oregano, and also the olives. The olives will give some richness and a salty tang to this sauce. Give it a good stir and let it cook further for 2 minutes. And at the end, a very good trick to make this pasta even more juicy is to add a splash of the pasta's boiling water to the sauce and to let it simmer for 1 minute. Meanwhile, the pasta water has boiled and we're gonna add the pasta and give it a stir and cook it until very al dente, 2 minutes before package instructions. Then drain it and add it to the sauce. Give it a good toss, combine the pasta and the sauce for approximately 1 minute. Then take the pan off the heat and add the fresh basil leaves. A trick to get the best flavor from the basil is to tear the leaves with your fingers rather than shredding it with a knife. Give it another toss and the pasta now is ready to be served. Decorate your dish with some basil leaves like I did in here and enjoy it. I hope you really enjoyed this quick and easy pasta recipe and you will try that at home. And if you like this video, please don't forget to put a thumb up and to subscribe to my channel so you can receive all my video recipes in the future. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.